Guys, the projects are getting out of hand. Does your garage look anything like mine? Is your other car now your workbench? I can't even get to some of my tools anymore. And then wait till you see the shed. Here's an idea. Just look up. The sponsor of this video, Fleximounts, reached out to me in my desperation and provided me with this 4x8 foot shelf that you can install in your unutilized garage ceiling space. You can find the link in the description. So here's how I put this thing together. I counted all the pieces. Sure enough, they're all there. I think I'm going to mount it in a combination of a few different methods in the instructions. The good thing is, well, it's flexible. First, I determined what height I wanted to set the shelf at. Then I pre-assembled the hanging struts to that height with the shoulder bolts here. I then made a makeshift scaffold above my car because it doesn't even move right now. I then used a stud finder and a big 4-foot drywall square to make measuring a lot easier. If you're struggling with the spacing, you can always use one of the racks as a template. The ceiling mounts are pretty forgiving as they have a little flex in them. Then I assembled all the racks together and tightened them down. Then you just hang it and tighten the rest of the bolts up on the hangers. Now it's finally time to get this space cleared out. This 4x8 rack is pretty big. I think I'll have plenty of extra space up here for later. They also make smaller ones and even ones with hoists. Well, finally guys, I'm looking forward to having a cleaner shop now and getting back to the work on my projects. This is just what I needed to get my winter projects back in order. I'm super grateful that Fleximounts was willing to sponsor the video. You can find these on Amazon with a link in the description.